how I am doing. Some people are asking me. Right now, I'm not doing so well. I feel like I'm going insane. I still need to wait 2 weeks before my hubby comes back to Bulgaria. And my body is just telling me to, stop for a little because, I've been working so hard here. No, there is so much to do right now. Feels like the never-ending story. And you know what? That's what happens if we don't listen to our bodies, right? Stubborn old me. Keep on going. Yeah, and then this happens. Then I get a crash. Blam. And then my body's just hurting from everywhere. I mean, there is one thing that is nice, and that is yesterday I finally took the time. Somebody gave me advice to just do some girly things, and I was like, yeah, my hair was getting gray, so yesterday I bought a package of hair paint, and I just colored my hair. I did this a little bit. I mean, my daughter had to because I cannot do that myself. It was looking horrible when I was trying to do it myself yesterday. And I did my nails, a little coloring because my hands were looking like horrible with all the dirt under the nails and everything. Yeah, working all the time in the garden and clearing out all the dusty stuff, and so that's a good thing. But yeah, some people ask me how I was doing because I have not been posting so much the last few days because I was just I couldn't get myself to record the video when I was doing stuff. I was just trying to go on. Gee. Yeah, I made a door. I was building a door from scrap wood and all kinds of stuff because we didn't have a door in our garage, and I don't know how I did it, but I made a door, and now it's working. I have a door and I can lock it. It's just like, what? That's the other part, like I'm sometimes really, surprised at what I can do on my own. Like, what? I made a door. Like a door. I didn't know I could do that. But yeah, I'm happy that it's there. And there is so much material here. I just do things with what I have. And yeah. So for the people that have been asking how I am doing, this is the honest truth. I'm tired, and I'm sad, and I miss my hubby, and just 2 weeks more, and I am gonna see him again. I just didn't realize that this would be so hard. But yeah, I know what I'm doing it for, and I will see him again soon. So, yeah, if you are still watching me, thank you for all the nice comments that you guys give me on my videos. I'm feeling like a mess right now. But yeah, that's also the truth, and I just wanted to get it out there. So, God bless you, everybody, and gonna try to pick myself up again. Dust yourself up and try again. God bless you, and see you in the next video, hopefully.